Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to be here today. How are you, Jake?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great, thanks. I'm ready to learn some new things.
Fantastic. Today, we're going to talk about the past simple and some irregular verbs. Do you know what irregular verbs are?
I think so. They're verbs that don't follow the regular rules, right?
That's exactly right. For example, the verb go changes to went in the past. Can you say a sentence using go?
Sure. I go to the park every Sunday.
Great. Now, what about in the past? Can you make it went?
Oh, I went to the park last Sunday.
Perfect. You're doing well. Let's also look at eat. Did you eat something special for dinner last night?
Yes, I eat pizza. It was delicious.
Almost. Remember, it should be ate. Can you try that?
Oh, right. I ate pizza last night.
Exactly. You did very well. Now let's dive deeper into the past simple forms. We often use them in storytelling.
That sounds fun. How do we tell a story using these verbs?
Let me show you. I will say a short story. Yesterday, I went to a beautiful garden. I saw many flowers and I ate some fruit.
Oh, so you went to the garden and ate fruit. That's a nice story.
Exactly. And you can use drank, too. I drank lemonade in the garden. Can you make a story now with go, see, and eat?
Okay. Yesterday, I go to the zoo. I see lions and I eat ice cream.
That's a good try. But remember, it should be went and saw. Can you correct your story?
Right. Yesterday, I went to the zoo. I saw lions and I ate ice cream.
Perfect. Well done. Now, let's move on to some dialogue to practice.
All right, let's do it.
Last weekend, I went hiking in the mountains. What about you, Jake?
That sounds nice. I went to the beach. I saw the ocean and played volleyball.
What fun. I love the beach. Did you eat anything special there?
Yes, I ate a big sandwich and I drank coconut water.
So close. It should be ate. Can you say it again?
Oh, I ate a big sandwich.
Very good. Did you see any interesting animals at the beach?
I saw some seagulls and a dolphin.
Wow, that's amazing. I want to see a dolphin too. What else did you do?
I went swimming in the ocean. It was really fun.
Sounds great. I also swam but in a lake nearby.
Did you eat anything there?
Yes. I ate a delicious salad by the lake.
Nice. I should have eaten a salad too. How about drinks?
I drank iced tea. What did you drink?
I drank lemonade. So refreshing.
Refreshing drinks make everything better. I love summer.
Me too. Any plans for next weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will go hiking again.
That would be fun. I would like to join.
Great. We can eat sandwiches and drink lemonade together.
Sounds like a perfect day.
Now let's go through some vocabulary that we practiced.
Sure. What words are we focusing on?
We have 5 key words. Go, come, eat, drink, and see. Let's use each one in a sentence.
Great. I can start with go. I go to school every day.
Good. Here's another. I went to the store yesterday. Can you use come?
I come to class every week.
Excellent. Here's one for eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
And I ate breakfast at 7 a.m.
Very nice. Now, drink. I drink coffee in the morning.
And I drank tea.
Lovely. Finally, see. I see my friends every weekend.
I saw a movie last night.
Perfect. Now, let's take a moment to review what we've learned.
Yes, let's review.
Question 1. What is the past tense of go?
It's went.
Correct. Question 2. What did I eat in the garden?
You ate fruit.
Exactly. Question 3. What is the past tense of see?
It's saw.
Right. Question 4. What did you drink at the beach?
I drank coconut water.
Correct. And question 5. Can you tell me your favorite drink?
I like lemonade the best.
Great job. You've done well today.
Thank you, Emma. I learned a lot.
Next time, we will learn about the future tense. It's going to be exciting.
I can't wait. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.